Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting on the video page now. First, open YouTube in a supported browser and load the video you want. Make sure the tab is active. If you're on Android, use the Chrome app. On desktop, avoid full screen mode for the next step. Once the video is loaded and playing, check that site pop-ups and media permissions aren't blocked, because picture-in-picture creates a floating window and needs those permissions to work reliably. Now you'll activate picture-in-picture. On desktop, right-click the video twice to show the browser's context menu and choose picture-in-picture. Some browsers also show a Pi-P icon in the video controls. Click that. On Android, play the video, tap the home button when the site prompts for picture-in-picture, or enable Pi-P in app settings first. Once invoked, the video detaches into a small floating window that stays on top while you work. Finish by controlling and, if needed, closing Pi-P. You can drag the floating window and resize it at the corners. Click the window to reveal play/pause and close controls. To return to the full tab, click the video title, which brings the tab forward, or use the close button to stop Pi-P entirely. If picture-in-picture won't start, make sure your browser is updated, temporarily disable ad blockers or extensions, and confirm site permissions. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.